Hey, this is Lori Gumbo. Today we're starting a new chapter with Justin. Very exciting. This is the day when we're opening up all the boxes. What are we having here?
We got the industrial 3D printer, we got the post-processing machine, and then over here we got all the little goodies. You know, materials, we got the build chambers, we got the stand, lots of powder. And we'll be printing in no time.
All the goods in one place. Beautiful.
Throw it in here, we clean up, all the powder goes down into a hopper that refills bins so that it can go back in the cartridge and we throw it back in the printer for recycling the powder.
Right on. All right, let's see this bad boy. It's actually fairly large, eh?
This is about as big as you're gonna print.
Yeah.
Because the build chamber. But there's a lot that goes into it. Like you have laser centering the top. You have a lot of optical sensors. You have all the back end stuff, like the motherboard, the whole processing unit operating system.
And this is an SLS machine, correct?
Yeah, selective laser sintering. So it's a powder-based plastic, which comes in the form in these. So these got powder in them, in the jugs. What it does is it fills. You put it in this hopper here, and layer by layer. So there's a build plate that drops, and so it'll put a layer of powder over it, and then a laser from the top will hit, you know, the parts where, you know, the part you're printing are, and then it'll drop. It'll sweep another layer of powder over, and the laser will keep sintering. And the laser is what hardens the material, and then those sintered parts are your final parts.